India, a land where every few kilometers the language changes, the dialect shifts, and new colors emerge. But sometimes this beautiful diversity turns into a battlefield of words. The language war in India is not new. It started right after independence, when leaders were trying to build a united India. But languages became a sensitive issue. In 1950, Hindi was proposed as the official language. But this sparked protests, especially from southern states like Tamil Nadu. People feared their culture and identity would be lost if Hindi dominated. In Tamil Nadu, massive anti-Hindi agitations took place in the 1960s. The people made it clear, our language is not just words, it's our soul. Today, India has 22 scheduled languages and hundreds of dialects. From Kashmiri to Kannada, from Bengali to Bhojpuri, each language carries generations of emotions, stories, and dreams. But the tension never fully disappeared. Even today, debates rise about Hindi imposition, language pride, and regional identity. Yet, beyond the wars and debates, there is another truth. Most Indians grow up speaking 2, 3, sometimes 4 languages. Adaptability is in our blood. Maybe India's strength was never about choosing one language over another. It was always about celebrating the symphony of many. In the end, no matter what language we speak, we say the same thing when we dream, when we cry, and when we hope. We say, we are one. In any tongue, in any voice, we are India. If you believe in unity beyond language, share this story with someone you love. And remember, language should connect us, not divide us.